I'm James Poukka, Realtor with Realtor Real Estate Services. The numbers I'm sharing come from the Northstar MLS, filtered for the Fargo Moorhead housing market to the Association of FMR. If you're wondering whether it's time to buy or sell, the best place to start looking is at how buyers and sellers have actually behaved over the past week. During the most recent 7-day period, there were 129 new listings, 90 pending contract, and 114 sales. Compared to the previous 7 days, new listings increased by 56 listings, or 77%. Pending contracts increased by 12 listings, or 15%, while closed sales increased by 47 listings, or 70%. Now, the pending to new ratio came in at 70%. That means new inventory entered the market faster than the buyers placed homes under a contract. Buyers are seeing more choices become available, which can create more opportunities to compare homes and negotiate without feeling the sense of same urgency that comes with a tighter inventory environment. The closed to new listing ratio was at 88%. While closing remained strong, they did not keep pace with the increase in new listings. Since closed sales reflect contracts written several weeks ago, this shows that homes are still reaching the finish line, but new inventory is beginning to build a little faster than completed sales. The net pending flow was a negative 39 compared with the plus 5 for the previous week. That's a noticeable change. It does not mean buyers disappeared. Instead, it shows sellers brought consistently more inventory to the market than buyers were able to absorb during the same period. The inspection contingencies remain common, appearing in roughly 67% of pending contracts, while the financing contingencies were almost non-existent. Buyers are still protecting themselves with inspections, with many transactions moving forward without financing conditions. That reduces uncertainty for sellers once a contract is accepted. Price changes increased about 30% from the prior week. With more homes competing for attention, some sellers are making price adjustments rather than waiting for buyers to choose from. At the same time, with expired and withdrawn listings remain low, which suggests most sellers are staying in the market instead of giving up. There's also no meaningful increase in financing contingencies or other signs that contracts are becoming less stable. Overall, the Fargo Moorhead housing market continues to see steady activity, but buyers have more inventory to evaluate than they did a week ago. Sellers are still finding buyers, although pricing and presentation will always remain important. The new Fargo Moorhead housing market videos are posted every Wednesday at 5 p.m. This information is for general real estate education and should not be considered legal, financial, or otherwise a professional advice. Always consult a licensed professional regarding your specific situation. This is James Poukka with Realtor Real Estate Services. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you next week.